All right, well, welcome back to another episode of Change Talk, and this is just another update video associated with the direction that the channel is going in. So welcome aboard.
Yes, I'm Lisa Marie, Adam's wife. And for those of you that haven't tuned in to us.
And for those of you that still don't know me, despite all those videos, my name's Adam, right? I'm the one that creates these videos, and Lisa Marie's a big help as well. So I asked her to join us today and just discuss some things that we're looking forward to associated with the channel.
We probably want to talk about your recent milestone that you hit, 4,000 watchable hours.
Yes, I mean, that almost did not happen. All right, yeah, so when it came to those 4,000 watchable hours, that was no joke. That was not an easy task, especially for those of you that were watching the direction of the channel and everything else. You would have noticed at one point I was like 1 hour shy of reaching that goal, and it kept on stalling out where, you know, one day would be an hour shy and the next day would be 2 hours shy. So for those of you that were watching my long videos, thank you. You guys made a huge difference.
It really seemed like it was like a roller coaster up and down ride there for a while. So, but your last act of valor, you know, if you want to talk about that.
So I like to have a buffer when it comes to, you know, maybe me getting sick, me wanting to do something with the kids, going on vacation. And I completely dumped all those videos, right? So in a matter of about 12 days, I released 11 videos. So some of which, you know, I was able to produce in just a couple of days. Others I stole from my reserve, so I completely depleted everything. There was nothing left by the time we made 4,000. So again, 11 videos in 12 days.
Yeah, you worked your butt off for that.
Yeah.
So
and those are long videos, right? We don't count shorts. So for those of you that don't know already, the shorts just come from an AI algorithm that I use. And I really don't check those too often. That might change down the road, but honestly, I take most pride and put most effort into the long videos that I create. Not to mention with my full-time job that I have on top of this, there's just enough time to make sure that that's at least meeting my expectations.
Yeah, and maybe if you want to tell them what the 4,000 watchable hours actually mean for YouTube.
Well, YouTube, it's not just 1,000 subscribers for people that don't understand the whole algorithm, and I'm sure it's going to change down the road. It was 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watchable hours when it comes to those long videos, when it comes to people actually engaging with those videos and watching it all the way to the end. On top of that, there's another way of reaching that milestone as well, which I think was 10 million...
shorts.
10 million shorts in about a year. So all this is within a year, right? So 365 days goes by, then you have to start resetting your algorithm. And that's one of the reasons why I kept on losing watchable hours. Because, you know, about a year ago, I was still making videos.
Yeah.
And especially since I wasn't doing short content at the time, my long videos were being promoted a lot more than my shorts. And now, unfortunately, my shorts seem to be a lot more popular than my long videos. And a little bit backwards now.
Yeah, and so with the 4,000 watchable hours and the 1,000 subscribers, you're officially monetized.
Yes, so it might be just, you know, make 50 cents here, 70 cents there every single day. But again, it's something, right? And for a lot of you that don't realize, I've got a few subscriptions that kind of sustain what you're seeing, right? From the AI videos to the soundtrack that you hear every time we do our intro song. And of course, when it also comes to Opus Clip, right? That AI service actually butchers my long videos and does all those spelling errors that I'm sure you guys are so used to at this point.
Yeah. They try. They do a decent job. They kind of they get the work done.
Yeah, they do. And honestly, and I feel my viewers sometimes, you know, keep questioning, you know, how I pronounce certain words and everything else. Just so you know, when you're watching these videos, I had a speech impediment when I was a kid, and so I will slur certain words every once in a while, and I apologize, right? But usually the caption service, when it comes to Opus Clip or even YouTube, will of course misspell that word because I pronounced it incorrectly.
Or just Urantia in general, it would just like.
And that's not a real word, right? It comes from the book itself.
Exactly.
And the Urantia Book most certainly has other words that it created. So
tomato. So exactly.
All right, and so the last part of all this, we're going to be talking about me dropping down to one video per week. So you probably noticed starting about a week ago that, you know, now I'm just doing one video on the Urantia Book per week, which has gotten a little bit longer and, of course, has a lot more editing associated with what you're seeing currently. And so on top of the fact it's only going to be one video per week and hopefully better content, I'm also going to be adding in humor. So humor is a really tricky business, especially with a spiritual crowd. It's tough enough. I'm trying to, you know, prove the legitimacy of this channel per se when it comes to the Urantia Book and what I believe. But on top of that, I'm going to be trying to throw in a little bit of humor to sustain viewership, right?
Yeah.
This way people are more likely going to not just retain the information.
Yeah, keep it interesting. Yeah, exactly.
Right, to keep it interesting, and of course, watch the rest of the video. So when people like flick through, and especially those of which know nothing about the Urantia Book, they just think I'm screwing up all sorts of facts associated with the Holy Bible, especially if they're watching my short content. So this is for retainment. This is to help retainment and both viewership and on top of that, the content itself, right? Mm-hmm. So for most people, they have a focused attention of about 10 minutes, and that's for quote unquote normal people. And of course, I don't really believe in the term normal person, but people that have, intellectual delays, or people that have, some type of mental illness, or other people that are constantly distracted, just me trying to do a 10-minute video can be difficult, sustaining people's attention, and of course, people retaining a lot of the facts that I'm throwing their way very quickly. And of course, that's what humor does. It helps break that monotony apart, where those 10-minute sections don't become so cumbersome anymore. And of course, there's some retainment associated with you wanting to continue watching just because you're being entertained. Now, there's certain people in this world that really don't have a good sense of humor, right? And it's not the Spock type. It's just people that typically don't understand what's the
nuances, or
I guess nuances of the human language, right? Like Sheldon when it comes to the Big Bang Theory,
or takes everything literally.
People that are extremely analytical, right? That if you say that you're going to toss something over somebody's head, they're going to think that something's going to be flying over their head in about a second, right? So those types of people typically don't do well with humor. So I'm expecting a lot more negative comments associated with me trying to break apart what I was trying to present when it came to that joke, right? I'm expecting some people to say, I don't get it, right? That doesn't make sense.
Oh, like dad jokes?
Or dad jokes. Yeah, dad jokes are a big part of that.
Exactly.
I would say probably about 40% of my clientele, they hate dad jokes. They actually get offended when I tell a dad joke. But it is what it is, right? I'm trying to take this channel in a new direction. Trying to make it more entertaining, and of course, make it so you watch the entire video.
Yes. So. Yeah, and I like the fact that you use your side camera to kind of break it up, too.
Can we use the side camera?
Okay.
All right, 1 second. Oh, we can always watch it
or
later.
just like wave.
We can do another You want to do another
Yeah, we can do another wave. I don't know if
it... Did you think that came out good or no?
One more time. We'll do okay.
Do you want to do another one or another expression?
Okay, maybe.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Maybe I'll just wave. It's easier to me.
Okay, do some game.
Okay,
game signs. You ready?
Yeah.
Peace.
Okay.
Now how do we end it?
So just, I don't know. Just keep doing what you're doing. So, you reach your 4,000 goals, and no, that sounds terrible.
I guess so.
Okay.
All right, so I'd like to thank everybody that supported us during this transition, right? We are not making a lot of money. And quite frankly, I don't even think we've made $10 yet.
Nope.
So
it's a percentage of a percentage,
yeah,
I think.
we've been monetized for about a week. Don't quote me on that, but it's tiny, right? But again, with all those accounts that I have, trying to sustain this channel, it's at least backing off some of that debt associated with this channel eventually just sustaining itself.
Yeah, every little bit helps. Yeah.
All right, so looking ahead, right, expect better content when it comes to our videos, and hopefully a little bit more entertaining.
Yeah. So that's good.
Yeah.
I think we said everything. Just wanted to do a quick update and say hi. So.
You want to try that again, huh?
Yeah.
See, words are difficult for both of us. So maybe we'll include that part. I'm not sure. I just want people to know that impromptu?
No, impromptu. It's not our strong suit.
Right. And I even had a really great subscriber even asked me, would you be open to doing interviews with people? Heck no. For me, I just told you that, I have difficulty when it comes to, my speech and word recall.
Yeah.
That's one of the reasons why I need a script.
Exactly.
I get a lot of comments and compliments from people saying that, I've got a great narrative when it comes to explaining things. That doesn't come easily, and it takes a lot of thought and work and organization. And
exactly.
To do it off the top of your head, I don't know how people do it.
No.
That's a talent this guy does not have.
But that's it. Thank you for tuning in. And
thanks for watching.
We appreciate it.
And here's more to come. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.